Tonight, as I was cooking, I was thinking about life. I said in my subconscious, I've reached my breaking point. I began to make cornbread and cracked these 2 eggs and heard, now I can use you. You see, an egg can't be used until it's broken. I think that this is something that if you are stressed out with work or with kids, or you feel like I can't go on or I'm at my breaking point, I feel like this analogy of looking at an egg that's broken, it's like, oh my gosh, it's broken. Now I can use it. Now I can cook it. Now I can throw it into things. Like, now you're ready to be used. Instead of looking at I'm done or I'm broken, nobody wants, it's looking at it as, oh my gosh, you are at the best place now. Now God is here to help push you where you're supposed to go. I've had different obstacles coming up all the time, and lately I feel like there's more and more. I just keep this positive attitude of there's a reason for this. God is teaching me something. God is pushing me somewhere. He's helping me learn things so I can help others through this. If you can keep a positive mindset, even though it's hard at moments, you can make it through things. It helps you be more positive. Let me know if it resonates with you, your take on this, and hopefully you love this as much as I did.